State education leaders, meantime, are considering some possible changes to the controversial law that expands the rights of schools of hope. Now, remember, these are the charter schools that are allowed to try to move into underutilized public schools free of charge. Remember, there's a lot of space in a lot of these public schools because of the student numbers have gone down, of course, last couple of years, especially in Hillsborough County. Well, the Florida Board of Education held a workshop today where parents and district leaders could ask questions and share their concerns. But as Fox 13's Aaron Mesmer reports for us tonight, some say they walked away with very few answers.
For the first time, state education leaders are showing a potential willingness to adjust the rules governing schools of hope. During a virtual workshop Monday, the Florida Board of Education fielded questions from parents and district leaders, but some walked away disappointed.
We were clearly shown through this process that they weren't interested in hearing our voices.
Schools of Hope are for-profit charter school chains that can claim unoccupied classroom space in public schools and move in for free. It's a process called co-locating and was approved by lawmakers late last year. The districts would have to pay for everything. During the hour-long workshop, the state school choice executive director addressed how the charter operators choose which schools they target for co-location.
We're looking at some additional criteria around and some parameters around how a School of Hope operator can identify a district facility.
He also indicated the charters sharing public school spaces would not have to follow all district policies.
They can adopt a district policy if they choose to do so, but they do not have to.
But most other questions were taken under advisement, including whether the charters would at least chip in for security and transportation. The State Board of Ed will meet next month with possible changes to consider. Public school advocates are urging the board to give public school parents a say.
If my kid's at a school that is targeted by co-location, I should be able to be a part of that conversation and say, and parents alike should be able to say, no, not in my school.
The discussion comes as the Florida School Board Association is heading to Tallahassee this week to push lawmakers to set guidelines. Manatee School Board member Heather Felton will be there.
We're not asking for them to, blow the whole thing up.
She says there's still little clarification about what constitutes an underutilized building. Critics believe some charter operators are capitalizing on that, sending out about 600 notices to co-locate.
Give us some guidelines as to what does it mean to have extra space? Is it one desk? Is it 5 empty classrooms? What are we looking at here?
Felton believes that could be a start to help ease some parents' concerns. In Tampa, Aaron Mesmer, Fox 13 News.
Now, Governor DeSantis is a supporter of Schools of Hope. He chimed in for the first time last week, saying that he's open to discussing whether or not charters may have to chip in for certain services. Meantime, there are a pair of bills on the table right now calling for the repeal of the law allowing co-location. The State Board of Education is expected to discuss some possible changes to the law as well during their February meeting coming up in the Florida Keys.
Well,